So as you can see, the giving tree is coming along really nicely. Starting to get the branches to come up and fork off in those different directions. And it's starting to look a lot more like the drawing. And as we continue on, I've wrapped wire around part of this to help pull it together, to tighten that up. As Travis and I continue to keep adding on and building up, and before you know it, we'll be adding branches going off in different directions to really open up the canopy of this tree and turn it into something. And that'll be a lot more freeform. I'm looking forward very much to that part of it.